Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our pre-market trading podcast, where we are going into the big US tech and US names that I have on the watch list, and trying to build a trading plan and help everyone the best I can. Okay, so yesterday, if you remember from yesterday pre-market show on YouTube and. 8 a.m. If it's the first time you are watching at 8 a.m. every single day at YouTube, I release one of our episodes on the day. We have every single day 3 episodes on the day, and I release one of them every single day at 8 a.m. And yesterday the show was Fed going to crash stocks. Well, that's a big title for a video, okay, for an episode. Not saying that it's really crashing, but right now where we stand this morning, so we stand with SP 500 down 1.1%, we have Nasdaq down 1.3%, we have Dow Jones down 0.9%, so not really falling apart, but very nice downside follow through. And we are right now on a big level, and it's time to make a real decision here going forward. So we can have a trend change, or we can have something similar as we saw in the past. So I've been comparing this correction to the June correction, okay, something like this and something like this. After a big move, we had a correction into the 50-day moving average, very similar. After that we bounced, make a lower high, very similar right now. But the difference that we, on this point, we hit the 50-day moving average, we print a higher low and bounce, okay? That's where we stand right now. We are right here. So right now what I want to see, if for example SP 500 is going to hold 32.95. If it holds 32.95 and resume back up, we should have something like we saw here. Needs to recover the 8 and 21 day moving average, needs to go above 34.25. That's my bull trigger. Above 34.25, resume back up, goes into 3500 and resume into new all-time highs. That's the scenario that I'm looking for. But we need to be prepared, okay? And as traders, we need to be prepared for everything. And what we can have, we had a correction, we had a bounce, and we can have something similar to this, okay? Something similar to this. But we need to break 32.95 and printing lower lows. If we print lower lows, as we saw here, it means that we can have a big correction all the way. Not saying that something as March is going to happen, but we can have a big correction all the way into 200 day moving average, 30.97. So we are right now, today and tomorrow, and next coming days, we are on the point, on the verge of a big decision. Either we make a higher low and resume back up and double trigger above 34.25, or below 32.95 and we have a big waterfall on 200 points drop on SP 500. So stay tuned. And let's see, follow price, respect price, and let's see how the action unfolds in the next couple of hours. So going into the watch list, some of the names that I had to the watch list, going to try to make an update on those names, trying to give the trading plan also and make an update. So starting with AMD, I played myself AMD this week, and I was able to generate very nice cash flow. I closed those calls intraday, and it was the best thing to do. Why? Because yesterday the stock got rejected, so down almost 3%. So the bull case scenario on AMD needs above 81. Okay, that's the bull trigger. Bear trigger below 73.9, breaks below 73.9, goes fill this gap all the way into $70. So breaks below 73.9, we can have a $4 drop here. All the way into the 70s. Breaks below can go all the way to 65. Something to monitor in next couple of sessions. Right now, no position here, but looking for a possible trade. Either we go below 73.9 and fill this gap, or above 81 will bring me along. So keeping this stock on watch right now, no position. APPS, Digital Turbine, what a big move. I received lots of questions about this one to make an update. It break out this week with very nice big volume, 2 days volume here on a big breakout. Day 1, 2, today we are going to day 3. On day 3 you trim, if you didn't trim the moves on this one, I always say that on a big move up you trim positions, so you should trim 1/3 of the position on day 1, another 1/3 of the position on day 2. Today we are going into day 3, so from the last that you are holding after the market open, you trim another 1/3 of the position, raise the stops on the rest, cap your profits and let it run. Okay, if your stop get hit, congratulations, you made a killing. If the stock continues to run up, congratulations, because you continue to run with the momentum. Keep raising your stops, eventually your stops will get hit, but you were able to ride the position. Right now, not looking to have the move already gone, and congratulations for all the longs taking this out of the watch list. Beyond Meat, another one, what a beauty. Seeing lots of bullish options activity on the name. You know that it was one of those names that I was looking for possible upside. Right now, going according to plan. I said longs above 139, going at 150, it 158 yesterday, almost at $160. If extends can go all the way here. Big resistance line can go all the way into $180. So this is a highly shorted stock. It favors upside. So can short squeeze very big. So if you are long on this move yesterday, the next leg, today we are going to day 2. Trim 1/3 of the position after the market open, raise the stops on the rest, keep riding the momentum while it lasts, and congratulations to all the longs. Shui, another name that I had to the watch list yesterday. Nice bounce from the 50-day moving average, open at 54, gone all the way into the 57, so $3 move here. Now what? For continuation needs above 58, okay? Bull case needs above 58. Bear case needs below 52 to fill this gap all the way into $49, $50. So keep it on your watch and keeping also on my watch. DraftKings, another one, what a beauty, okay? Last week I said staying long versus 34, while above 34 looking for a move into the 40s. Was not expecting that skyrocketed into the 50s. So if you are long, okay, honestly, after such a strong move, I would be taking all my profits, okay? So not chasing this one. Can it go higher? Yes, it can. Above 53.3 can go all the way into $60. No one can really predict, but the oscillator is getting overbought. I don't like to chase. I believe that the entry was last week. Even if you missed last week entry, the entry was on this breakout. Not time to chase here, so taking DraftKings out of the watch list. Congratulations to all the longs. If you are long, keep raising your stops, but the easy part of the trade already gone. Another one that I had to the watch list. Fiserv, why? It was one of the names that I was seeing bullish options activity several weeks ago. I believe it's coiling for a possible break. The stock is holding right now a big support level here, and right now very near the resistance. So what I'm looking for, the stock can continue here, or eventually it can break. Okay, a break above 105 can make a big move up. So keep it on your watch. If it breaks above 105, can make a big move. Otherwise, you can play the range here between 90 to 105. Can play the range here. Eventually, it will break one way or the other. So stay tuned on this one. Fastly, another one that I had to the watch list. Why? Right now, right at bounced perfectly from the support. So let's put here the line. Bounce perfectly from the support. Needs a trigger, needs above 88. Didn't trigger yet. I'm keeping on watch. Breaks above 88 can go long to fill this gap all the way into $100. Breaks below $70 can have a big waterfall. You can play the range or wait for the break one way or the other. So keep it on your watch. Gold, another one that I have on the watch list, is coiling. The momentum is building for a possible breakout. What is the breakout? 185. Breaks above 185, in my opinion, it will trigger longs. The oscillator also favor possible upside. We need a break above 185, 187. Breaks above 185, 187, longs, in my opinion. Gogo, it was one of the names that I gave you yesterday. What a beautiful move, all the way above $10. It's 11.60 right now. Where we stand, if you are long, keep raising your stops. 1/3 of the position goes out after the market open. Raise the stops on the rest. This part of the trade is gone, in my opinion, so taking the stock out of the watch list right now. Another one that I gave you, Grow Generation. It was a beautiful one. I said that $70 to $18 target would be to take some profits. Yesterday, $70.20. Very nice move. Now what? You trim profits on the way up. Okay, so after the market open, you raise trim 1/3 of the position, you raise the stops on the rest. Goes above $18, can go all the way into the $20 area. Otherwise, if it fails, can go back into the $14. So trim 1/3 of the position after the market open, raise the stops on the rest, keep riding the momentum while it lasts. Another one that I mentioned, Inu, what a huge move, okay, insane move. Lots of bullish options activity on the name. Made a killing this week. I didn't get this one, but I cannot get every single name on the market, so big move. Now what? If you are long, trim 1/3 of the position after the market open, raise the stops on the rest, as an open gap to fill here at $24. It's a big move. Not sure if it has power to go. Right now on the pre-market 70.5. Not sure if it has power to go. Needs above 18.55 yesterday highs to continue back up and fill the gap. My suggestion, trim 1/3 of the position after the market open, raise the stops on the rest. Right now sitting at 50-day moving average, see where it goes. Big 2 days move. Not sure if it has the power to continue to go, but congratulations to all the longs. Another one that I have on the watch list is building, is Kensington Capital Acquisition Corporation. It's coiling here. I believe it's accumulation between $70 to $19. It's accumulation. I believe it will break all the way into $20 area plus, so keep it on your watch. Another one that I had to the watch list, Lajola Pharmaceutical. Why? Stock yesterday saw a nice move up, nice volume there. I believe the stock has a big gap to fill all the way above $6. So if the stock goes above 5.4, can go all the way into $6. So keep it on your watch. Above 5.4, in my opinion, can go long. Lyft yesterday saw some bullish options activity. Closed my calls. I had some calls. Closed the calls on a stop that got hit after the Fed. I believe that the stock is coiling here, seeing some possible momentum while above $27. Okay, above $29. Sorry, while above 29, the trigger is 32.3. Breaks above 32.3, can go all the way to 35. Bear case scenario, if it breaks below my support line, can get ugly and go back into 25. So keep it on your watch. It's one of those names, seeing bullish options activity. Not sure what the hell is going to happen here, but keeping the stock on my watch list. Another one that I have to do watch list is KTNT. KTNT. Why? Seeing some possible upside here, but once again, need to see it. Breakout point 5.9 can go all the way into $7 plus, so keep it on your watch. For the downside, if it breaks below $5, watch out, can go back into the support that I have down here. Tesla, another one that I received lots of questions. In my opinion, I'm not chasing this one. Can it go higher? Yes, but the breakout point was the on $400. From $400 gone all the way $60 up. It was a beautiful trade. I didn't get any positions, so right now the stock is consolidation, waiting for the stock to rebuild. Can fill the gap here all the way into $420. Can't fill the gap. The 821 day moving average, 415 is the 8 day moving average. So 415, 420 is a possible downside scenario. Upside needs above $460, breaks above $460, can go all the way into $500. So keep it on your watch. Volatility picking up this morning. It's something to monitor. VXX also on the support. Yesterday I played some calls with the VXX, UVXY, TZA, SQQ, some of the names that can give you an edge on the market downside scenario. If we are going to have a breakdown on the markets, VXX, UVXY, SQQ are some of the names that can give you a nice edge. So right now, where we stand, right at the 50-day moving average on SP500, waiting for what is going to happen. Breaks below 32.95, big waterfall in my opinion into the 3100. That's one of the scenarios, an H sell signal, or something that I'll be looking is for a kind of June move where we make a higher low, all the 50-day moving average, resume back up, but needs above 34.25. The trigger for the longs 34.25, breaks above, watch out, big move, big short squeeze ahead. So Fed has your back. Yesterday Fed said that they will keep holding the markets. The rates will stay low, and that's a big game changer in my opinion into 2023. And they will do whatever it takes, but they expect the economy to take more time to recover. Okay, so they put 3 years, 2023, 3 years of low rates, and it's a lot in my opinion. So that's a game changer. Let's see how the market will digest. If today we go from red to green, see the names. Look for the FANG names. Look for the big tech names. If we see red to green moves, it means that the bottom was bought, and we can have a 1, 2, 3 days scalps, and upside, and the levels will hold, and we can resume for something like this. Okay, something like this. But if we break below 13.295, we can have something, not saying that we go into the March correction, but we can have a bigger correction all the way into 200-day moving average. It's something to keep monitoring. We use volatility names to hedge. Stay safe, and thank you all for watching. Wish you all a great trading. Please give us a like, and leave your comments on the below. I would like to hear from you. And one of the most important things of all, be happy trading. Thanks everyone. Don't miss the next episode. Bye bye. Thank you.